Welcome everyone to my new Solana price prediction video presentation for the second part of November month. It is 15 today. We're looking for discovering what's happening on the language of the market. As you already know, this kind of videos are the most rational way possible in terms of interpretation towards a price without bias or any form of emotional type of discussions. So it's very simple and straightforward. Solana is still dominating everything. It's ranked right now top 3 on trendings. And what I'd like to tell you, for the past 24 hours, you definitely want to see that the crypto market has tanked a little bit, but Solana is still sitting on green. Let me just share with you this difference. Look at Solana's past 24 hours percentage and compare this one with that guy right there. And then tell me if people moving from Ethereum towards Solana as major investments or day-by-day trading as a whole activity of performance towards their journey of trading is a wrong decision or a good decision. Obviously, this is a specific context we're looking at right now, but tell me that past week or the past weeks has not been the same. Well, let me tell you, the reality is exactly that. Solana right now is attracting people from BTC, from Ethereum, into major investments, into major participations, aiming that this pre-bull run rally is putting together the base for Solana to attack $500, $800, and $1,000 in the upcoming period, especially with the bull market that is needed for that. Make sure to follow me on my main channel as well. Subscribe to the YouTube channels. All the links are in the description area. We have my one-on-one coaching where I teach you from A to Z on how to do trading. Been trading since 2014. If you would like to do this, I can offer you the ability to schedule a free conversation with me on Calendly, and you have the ability for that right now. Links in the description area and comments area. So let's see what's happening basically with the charts. I'm going to talk about the coaching and trading at the end of the video. Let's keep things straightforward. We had a possible triangle which broke below the support level, and the breakout below the support level happened right there. The possible triangle did not complete it itself as a structure, which would have needed another day or so for the support line to continue and be alive, which means that right now the support line that we have of that triangle, it's a trending support line, has been stopped due to the fact that if I continue, it is going to become an invalid from the rules of the trending lines that I need to respect. Each trending line as a technical indicator has rules on how to do it, how to stop it, from where to do it, and what kind of other things to respect in order to become valid or invalid. Now, this is the situation right now, guys, with Solana's charts, 15-minute candlesticks. The market is having the ability, after it has been losing the support line at that level, to find a quick reaction on our demand zone, but the 20 days moving average rejected us. Usually when you have a market decreasing, 20 days moving average EMAs are basically where the bots are set to be put selling pressure and continuously keep the markets on their domination. I want you to see how the red line, which is the 20 days, is basically activating right there as well. I want you to see how the red line is activating right there as well. So usually the bots are set basically for 20 days moving average, even here, to react whenever 20 days is touched. Bots are getting triggered and the market orders are put together towards selling pressure, and they're dumping the crypto. This is happening with Solana. This is happening with many other cryptocurrencies as well. The market in certain cases is driven by the market orders generated by the bots of the market makers, right? So those are the big players, especially with the exchanges. Double bottom representation, a very good reaction on the second one with an engulfing and a domination sign back to the 200 days moving average. A very good reaction from the bears, a reversed hammer pattern appearing right there from the candlestick side, clearly portraying a reversal. Reversal that happened, we formed a double bottom, but with a quick difference. The double bottom comes in as a structure. This is one, this is the second one. If we take it here, because it's a group of bottoms in the first one. But there is one difference besides that. If I'm measuring, you will be able to see that the closing here is there, and the closing right there is over here. So there is a distance between this line and that line in the price action that marks 1.45%. So we have closed when we touched for the second time at 1.45% higher, which is clearly meaning that we were able to have a very, very good level of higher low. This higher low has been printed, and in order to become efficient and confirmed, you need to break out of the previous top. And that's exactly what we did. With this higher low, we actually pushed straight towards the trending line. Trending line that reacted again with the resistance. That one is still active, the resistance trending line compared to the support trending line. And the market revisited the lows, taking out the liquidity. But this candlestick that we have there is massive, guys, because it has actually reacted. It has closed on our demand level. It has reacted very well. It took out liquidity, took out a lot of the highly leveraged people. It was huge volatility yesterday in the market, especially with the financial announcement on the CPI. 10% right there in 4 hours downwards, which is a lot basically for the ones that are on leverage. If you're on 10% movement and you have a 5x leverage, that is 50%, guys. That's not small at all for the margin. If you need to take that loss, I mean, it will not be an easy deal. However, you need to have yourself very, very well organized. But there's been signs out here, especially with this market situation, where things are pretty much clear that we're going down again and retest. Now, of course, we did not have the safety and security that we're going to react on our demand level and push afterwards by retesting the top, coming back. But what is important here is that we broke out of the trending line, guys. This is the most important thing. And it just happened a couple of hours ago. We broke out of the trending line, and the breakout out of the trending line wasn't a parabolic movement generator. It was most likely a movement that most likely aimed to retrace back to the trending line, reconfirm the support, and then start pumping and breaking both tops. This is very bullish. This is very bullish. So this is looking as an amazing sign for Solana. I'm telling you guys, you're not supposed to be surprised if during the bull market that is going to appear, you are going to see Solana on, triple digits. I mean, I don't think that's a surprise for anyone. I don't think someone would not expect that to see Solana above $100. But what I would say, I wouldn't be surprised at all to see Solana a 10x from here, which means above $500. If the whole crypto space is shifting its attention towards Solana, because what has happened during this rally, because everyone knows that it's a great crypto to monetize, to make profits, to accumulate, and to have increases of portfolios that you have not been imagining. To have increases of portfolios that you have not been imagining. If I measure from the bottom, which is something I'm going to do in the other videos, you will see that during this whole movement, Solana has been dominating in a crazy way in a very short period of time, the whole market. And the percentage it has delivered to you, it is insane. And if you are putting a 2x and 3x leverage on that, it is crazy. It is crazy, guys. So this is basically the outcome. It's beautiful. Technically, what has happened here, it's beautiful. Now, the only question here is about BTC and Ethereum. Do they want to dump? Do they want to continue their retracement and correction? Or are they going to stop here? Because then it allows the Solana to keep moving back into the encircled area at the top. We'll have to fight with a supply level. We'll have to fight with another horizontal resistance right there. But again, $60, a little bit of pressure. However, above 60, liquidity, a bunch of guys shorting, a bunch of guys using it as stop losses. So let's just take them out and utilize their volume to pump the cryptocurrency's price. This is pretty much all about Solana's price prediction for the second part of the month. Easily, it has to touch prices in the encircled area, and it looks very, very good for the time. Now, once again, if you would like to become a trader, if you want to do this part-time or full-time, do it correctly, which means that you have to invest in your education and skills, because they are the ones generating the performance. They are the ones generating the actions. Actions are actually coming from somewhere. It's not out of the blue. Your mind is generating the action, and inside your mind you have the knowledge and skills related to this business. So that's where you have to tweak and work on, get the level of education high, and prepare for this thing. If you would like to find out more, just register now simply, or schedule yourself a free conversation on Calendly where we can discuss. Links are in the description area and commentary for everything, including about our completely done for you trading, where we utilize an AI bot trading that helps us perform, no prior fee to join. Only commission from the profits achieved. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is basically our page with performance and the way we're doing it. Make sure to reach out to find out more. The trading is completely outsourced towards API. Have a good time, folks. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.